I've been playing with the police stop light box again, taking the guts out of the one what's off another Capri or something, ready to build into my one. And I've made a discovery. What I thought was just a junction box, this bit turns out to be some kind of flash relay, and I know that because it says, I don't know if you can see that, flicker flash on the back. And it has these tiny filament windings going around these bars, and when the bulbs draw current it heats up that metal strip which bends away from the contact and causes it to flash. So on, the bulbs stay on, then once it's warmed up, it's hard to see but that strip is actually moving forwards and backwards from that contact, causing it to flash. So at the moment it's working, but it smokes a bit, so yeah, you might be able to see that now. So I'm going to try and find something that does the same job, but doesn't smoke in a way that suggests it wants to catch fire.